Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is another seeding day, and here we have some sugar snap peas that I am starting to seed. This is the packet, heirloom variety sugar snap pea. This is the packet I got from Dollar Tree probably a couple of years ago when they were still selling their seed packets for a dollar. So that's 25 cents for this packet. And I had two packets left. And then this, I also have this one, Sugar Snap Pea from M.I. Gardner. You might be wondering why I'm starting the Sugar Snap Pea seeds indoor when I can just direct sow these seeds in the garden. The reason for that is the soil outdoor is not warm enough to germinate the seeds. And what will happen is these seeds will just sit in there and will take too long to germinate. Whereas if I germinate the seeds in my indoor grow room, I have better control of the environment, and I can even put this on top of a heat mat to have a better germination. So this is a 72 cell tray, and what I'm gonna do now is just to push the seeds down. I just have to make sure that they are covered in seed starting mix. I always use seed starting mix for starting my seeds because they are the best in starting your seeds, especially those tiny seeds. So you do that, and then we're just going to cover the seed with our seed starting soil right there. And then after that, I'm going to give it a spray of water. I have this little sprayer I got from CVS a long time ago when they had a clearance sale, which I paid 29 cents for this bottle, which is such a good deal. So after you do all of this will be ready, and you can just leave it on the table or in the grow shelf, just like what we have in here. So as of now, I need to go back to push all of the other seeds down and then spray them with water. Also, another tip, um, you can use a dome, which is something like this, to keep moist inside, and so the seeds will not dry up. Because especially if you're using a heat mat, um, it will make the water evaporate faster, and you don't want to do that. So it's better to cover it with a plastic dome like this. If you don't have a plastic dome, you can use a cling wrap or a plastic wrap. Just make sure to watch it and remove the cling wrap as soon as the seeds start germinating. My sugar snap peas have been planted. Now all I have to do is to wait for 7 to 10 days for these seeds to sprout. And then once they have sprouted, I can transfer them outdoor into my garden. That's going to be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.